Hi guys, I'm going to cook a Pinoy version of carbonara here. So as you can see here in the video, yan yung ginamit kong ingredients. Of course, may pasta and so on and so forth. Here, nagsisimmer ako nag-iinit ako ng tubig with salt and oil for the pasta. And then nagigisa ako here ng bawang at sibuyas. And then I put the sliced ham in the pot. Actually, I forgot na I need the pasta water. So, nag-stop muna ako dyan. I just waited for the pasta to cook kasi I need the water for the sauce. Doon sa aking carbonara sauce. So, ayun, since luto na yung pasta ko, nagkuha na ako ng pasta water. But again, naggisa muna ako ng mushroom dyan. And then, after kong nagisa ng mushroom, naglagay ako ng 1 cup pasta water there. Yan. And then, ayan lang, mix lang. And then, 1 can of evap. Yung small can lang siya kasi parang half kilo lang yata yung niluto ko here. Ayun, waiting for it to cook lang or simmer. Ayun, mix lang. And then, I also use a cream of mushroom para mas creamy. And then, naglagay ako ng carbonara sauce. Again, this is a Pinoy version of carbonara. Ito kasi yung mga cravings ko lately. Pasta, carbonara. Ito yung favorite ko na version. And then, naglagay lang ako ng salt and pepper here. And then, mix. And then, actually, naglagay din ako ng Italian seasoning. Maliit lang siya. Naglagay ako ng cheese para mas creamy. And then, I added the pasta na to the sauce. This is so yummy, guys. You have to try this one. One of my favorite recipes talaga. Like, pag birthday or anything, may mga handa, niluluto ko siya. Ayan, done. Try it, guys.